is Fernando, and I'm an agent at Illi Commercial Real Estate. Today we are here with Cesar Garcia at Papa Juan's, San Fernando. Welcome. Thank you so much for doing this with us.
No problem. The pleasure is mine. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you.
Can you tell us a little bit about the name Papa Juan's and what inspired it?
So the name Papa Juan's comes from my actual father, which most of our recipes on the menu today are recipes that he taught me as a child growing up.
You've been in the restaurant business for about 14 years. Can you share a little bit about how it started?
Sure, it all started at my house. I started doing these recipes that my father taught me, and my friends inspired me to do something with them, to open up a restaurant or a food truck. So I decided to do a food truck in 2010. And in 2014, that's when I got my first brick and mortar.
That's awesome. That's a great progression.
Yes, thank you.
So how often do you revamp your menu, and what do you use for inspiration?
I try to revamp my menu at least once every 6 months. I travel a lot to Baja. I go a lot to Valle de Guadalupe. I go a lot to Ensenada. There's amazing chefs out there. Some of the world's best chefs out there in Valle de Guadalupe. Try their recipes and I bring them back with me, and then I try to revamp them and make them as good as theirs.
So what inspired you to expand into a franchise space?
Actually, my customers inspired me. I have a lot of customers that come out throughout the whole valley of San Fernando, even from up north, and they always tell me, Cesar, you should open a Papa Juan's close to us. So I thought about it for a couple of years, and last year I went for it.
So we just leased a new location in Northridge on Tampa Nordoff. Can you give us a little insight on what we can expect there?
Yes, so first of all, that location is amazing. There's plenty of parking. We're gonna have an outdoor patio. We're gonna have inside seating as well with a nice drink bar. That location should be amazing. We're hoping to open the summer of 2024. Yes.
Well, we look forward to that.
Thank you.
Looking back now, starting from your home into a food truck and into a brick and mortar, what advice would you give a new business owner in the restaurant space?
Well, what's made me successful is dedication, consistency, and customer service. You know, sometimes I work 80 hours a week, sometimes I work 60. Or what makes me the happiest is one of my customers tries my food and they tell me, Cesar, your food is amazing, I love it. That brings a smile to my heart and to my soul. I really, really love that.
Have any other restaurant concepts?
Absolutely. I have a sushi restaurant called Hanzo Sushi here in the city of San Fernando as well. That's been open for about 3 years. And as we speak, I'm also building a Korean barbecue called Fuego Korean Barbecue. And we're also putting our own twist into it. We're doing Latin fusion to it. It's going to be great. That should be open summer of this year.
That sounds amazing.
Yes, it is.
Thank you so much for doing this with us today. We wish you much success, and we look forward to the next opening.
Thank you. Thank you for being here today.